Thank you, Chairman. I want to thank all of you for being here today. Admiral Stavridis, I wanted to ask you about your prior position as commander of Southcom. And we had testimony this spring from General John Kelly, the commander of Southcom, about how the networks are working over our southern border, the sophisticated smuggling networks that I can assure you now are unfortunately are being used to devastate my state with how heroin's coming into my state. But also the issue that he raised as well was that he believed that adherents to ISIS have called for infiltration of our southern border. So I wanted to ask you about your thoughts on that in terms of the use of those networks to not only on things like drugs, but also as we look at this terrorism challenge. Is this something we should be worried about?
It absolutely is something we should be worried about, Senator. And I have called this before convergence. And it is the convergence of these drug routes, which are extremely efficient, with the possibility of using them to move terrorists or, at the really dark end of the spectrum, weapons of mass destruction, along with the narcotics. So when those drug routes and those higher level threats convergence, I think we are at great risk. What we should do about it is exactly what we're talking about here, is think holistically about how you create a network to combat a network. This is a very sophisticated private-public, if you will, collaboration with international abilities ranging from moving submarines with 10 tons of cocaine to aircraft, et cetera, et cetera. So you need to bring the interagency to bear. You need to bring special operations to bear. And I think this also argues for merging NORTHCOM and SOUTHCOM, because it creates one sphere through which these routes are coming at us. So there's a quick basket of ideas.
I appreciate it. I don't know if anyone else wants to comment on that.